Crochet cats are delightful, handcrafted plush toys made using crochet techniques, loved for their charm and creativity. These adorable creations can range from simple amigurumi designs to more intricate patterns, allowing crafters of all skills levels to express their artistic flair with a variety of colors, sizes, and styles available. Crochet kits can customized to reflect individual taste, making them perfect gifts or decorative items. Many patterns are accessible online, including beginner-friendly options that encourage newcomers to explore the craft. The integration and AI in design has also sparked fresh inspiration, leading to innovation, patterns, and unique ideas, whether as cuddly companions for children or whimsical decors for cat lovers. Crochet cats bring joy and warmth to any home. Their soft textures and play personalities make them cherished keepsakes, ensuring that crochet cats remain beloved project of enthusiasts and a source of happiness for all who encounter them.